Let's check right there. Yes, 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 Linamandla. We on, we on. You ready? Just let me know if you see me. Should I inbox you? Okay, come on. You know my channel. Just go to my channel.
I'm on your channel here, but I don't see live.
Yeah, I also don't see it here, but it's on live here. It shows it live. Let me see. Why does this? Okay, the stream is on. Okay, okay, okay. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to pop up. It's gonna pop up now in a few seconds. Because even here it did not pop up. Whoa, we ready. Hey, hey, we ready. You ready? Okay, check now. Check now. Yes, we're live. If you don't see me, let me know. I'm gonna send you a link.
Just saying part two, ne?
Yeah, yeah, part two, yeah. Check the one which say live. The one which say live there. It shows out your live. It's been streaming live. That's the one we're gonna start. We started with.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, sure. Let me send again the link to everybody because you know sometime. Okay, so I'm gonna mute this Skype so we can start here.
Hi. Yeah. Check the one which say live. The one which say live. It shows out your live. It's streaming live. That's the one we start. Yeah. Okay, so we're ready to go. Okay, you can just mute your microphone, and then we can get started. You ready? Let me know when you're ready so we can get started. Linamandla, she's there. I hope she can see me. Let's get started. Can you mute your microphone, Lina? Let me mute you. Mute your microphone, please. Okay, so we have a question right here. But before we start with this question, there was a question which I was busy with as face, which is integral. Let's do this integral quick, right? So when they say integrate, the sign for the integral is this, like a snake. That's an integral.
Where's black this time? Oh, it's not spent. Because like let's taste face. Now it's okay. You can hear me now, right? Can you hear me now?
Unless it's coming. You said it's slow most of the time.
It says slow.
You said you took it slow.
Oh,
I can only hear you on Skype.
what could be the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem?
No matter why. My God.
Let me see. Let me see what. Oh,
Please.
eh? Yes,
I can hear you now.
you can hear me now. You can hear me now. Can you hear me now? You can hear me now. Okay, let me mute I also want to listen to myself so I can see.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I
Can
hear
you? Okay, let me see this. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. You are fine.
Okay. I'm gonna ask for the last time just to make sure that you can hear me very clear. Okay, now I understand why you did that. Okay. I'm gonna ask for the last time. Okay. To make sure that you can hear it's sorted. Okay, now you good to go. Oh, I see. Okay, cool. No problem. I think we've been time has flown. So I know you can do maybe even one or two questions, just at least because yeah. And I apologize. I'm truly apologize. Okay, cool. Let's take this integral. Let's do this question. We can at least even do one question. Okay. So this sign here represents integral. So let's see the rules. Let's see maybe even one row, two row, three rows. If you have integral, if it's in this form, integral x power n dx. So that means what you do, only take this stuff here. Say x, n, and then plus 1. Whatever you have here, this power plus 1. And the same thing right at the bottom, n plus 1. This one here right at the bottom, and then you plus c. Reason plus c, because there's no limit. Let's take an actual example. Somebody give you so what I'm going to do, I'm only going to take that. But it must be in this form. So I'm going to say x 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and then right at the bottom the same number 4. You plus constant. Done. Let's take more example. So for this one here, what you do, take a number behind. And then write your integral. And then here means I'm going to let you to 1 over x cubed dx. Then what you do, take this to the top. So then this is going to become 4 integral x. You remember this is positive 3, so it's going to become x negative 3. And they'll have our dx. So now it's already in the format of integral power. Write your 4 behind, take this plus 1. It's going to become x negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 will equal to negative 2. And the same number right at the bottom. And then you plus constant. Done. Check more example. But we can simplify. 4 divided by 2 equal to 4 divided by negative 2 equal to negative 2. So 4 divided by negative 2 equal to negative 2. So I can simply say negative 2. But hey, it's not good to leave a final answer like this. So this let me say negative 2, and then let me reciprocate this. I'll take all this to the bottom. It's going to become x power 2, right? But since it goes to the bottom of the 2, it's going to become positive 2. You change this and it becomes positive if it goes to the bottom. Plus constant c. More example. So if somebody say, let's say integrate, let's say 100 x power 3 dx. So the games are the same. I'm gonna say this equal to 800, just say 800 integral x power 3 dx, because x power 3, 800 is a constant, so you went behind. So take this plus 1, so it's gonna be 800 x 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and the same thing right at the bottom, and then you plus constant. Reason plus constant because there's no limit. But 800 divided by 4 equal to 200. So I'm not gonna write 800 divided by 4. I'll write here 200. Okay, and you're done already. More example. Integral 1 over x squared. Let's say this 7 dx. So what I'm gonna do, I'll take this to the top. So I'm gonna say integral 7, it can go to the back because I don't need that 7, and this is gonna go to the top here. So it's gonna become x negative 2 dx. So since in the power rule, what we're gonna do, we're gonna say now 7 is just 7. This disappears.
Let's taste this.
X negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2
now
plus
it's
1
okay.
negative 1. And then we over.
You can hear me now, right?
Sorry, my apology. I think
can you hear me now?
Myself. Let me mute myself.
Unless it's coming. You said it's long.
Sorry.
You say slow.
You said you took it slow.
Oh.
Okay. So then, 7 divided by negative 1 equal to negative 7.
What could be the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem?
1 plus c. But this is the final answer, but I'm not going to leave it here. I'll take this to the bottom. So it's going to become negative 7. If this is going to become at the bottom of 7, it's going to become x power positive 1. It's not going to be negative because it's going to the bottom. Positive 1.
Let me see what. Oh
man, I just hear myself here. Let me mute myself. But if I mute myself, would you be able to hear me?
Yes.
I can hear you now.
Can you hear me? If you don't, please let me know. Because I just kind of minimize myself. If I don't hear you, let me know. Okay. So then, let's take more example. So then, if you don't hear you, let me know, right? Please let me know. Let me see myself if I can hear them. Can you hear me? Oh, you can hear me, I see. Okay. So now let's check another example, which is very, very crucial, very, very important. Only, listen, this is very important. Integral is a rule, so we have a rule. If you have integral 1 over x dx, this case you don't do power rule. If it's power 1 at the bottom, like that, 1 over x, when you integrate, this is same as say ln of x plus c. You memorize it. But if it's 2, Don't do that. You have to do like how we did before. Only when it's 1 over x. You say this is equal to ln. Example, somebody give you integral 1 over m dm. If this m, this must be m. Then you're going to say this is equal to ln, whatever you can call, ln. And then you put your m here. And then you plus c. Done. Integral 1 over k dk. This let me say ln absolute k plus constant. The reason why plus constant because there's no limit there. You have to memorize that. These are rules. Now, so we can do the first question. No, but there's one thing I want to show you. One thing very, very important. Let me show you one thing. Integral 7. Oh, no, it's not there. Excuse me. Integral of the Linamandla equal to m. Integral of the mtwana equal to n. Integral of dz equal to z. You have to know that one. Remember this. So if somebody give me integral 7 dx. First and foremost, I'll take 7 to the back. So this let me say 7 integral of dx. But integral of dx equal to x. So it's going to be 7. This equal to x times x, 7x. Now we can do the first question, I'm sure of. Let's do the first question. This question, which is in here. So let's say integrate all of these things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to integrate each one separately. So I'm going to say integral of each one. Integral, and then I'm going to say integral, and then integral. Or if you don't want to do that, you can simply do like this. Say all of this, you must integrate. And then you write dx at the outside. Let's do one by one. Let's start the first one. It's going to be integral 100 x99 dx. 100 is going to go to the back. And there's going to be integral of x99 dx. But that's let me say 100. And there's going to be x99 plus 1. You know this part must be plus 1. 99 plus 1 equal to 100. And then we over the same number which is in here, which is 100. But now we must simplify now. 100 over 100 equal to 1. So we only left with the x what? 100. So when you integrate the first one, it's going to give us a x power 100. Plus with plus. Let me integrate the second one now. And you must write that dx things, dx. If it's k, you write dk. If it's x, now we're going to go integral of the second one, which is 20, x power 4. So 20 is going to go behind, and there's going to be in this 20 is going to go behind here. So it's going to be x power. So let me say 4 x power 5. So here's going to become what? 4 x power 5. This one is done. Let's go for the next one. Integral 2 x power square dx. So first and foremost, this 2 is going to go behind. So this 2 is going to go behind. It's going to go behind integral 1 over x square dx. And the next things, we're going to take this to the top here. So this is going to become equal to 2x. This, remember, is positive 2. So when you go to the top, it's going to become negative 2. And then you say integral dx. And then what happened? You have a 2. And this stuff is going to be x negative 2 plus 1 over the same thing, negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 plus 1 equal to negative 1. So same as say 2x negative 1. Negative 2 plus 1 equal to negative 1. So then 2 divided by negative 1 equal to negative 2. So I'm going to remove that and say negative 2. Since that's my final answer, but I don't think it's good for me to leave my final answer as a 2x negative 1. I can say this, let me say negative 2. I'll take this all to the bottom. So it's going to be x power positive 1. So negative 2 over x power 1. But x power positive 1 is just an x. So negative 2 over x. So it's going to become negative 2 over x. Let's go to the next one. So the next one is integral 3 over x dx. So 3x over x, what we do, we take 3 to the back. So it becomes 3 integral 1 over x dx. So this is not powered rule. This is the one with the ln, because it's like, look, 1 over x. So this let me say 3. This, when you integrate 1 over x equal to ln, we're going to say ln absolute x. You memorize that. Only when it's 1 over x. If there's no power here, just say integral of 1 over k dk. This equal to ln of k. But for now, integral 1 over x dx can be ln of x. So here we're going to say 3 ln of x plus 3 ln of x. Now let's go for the last one. The last one. So just a rules. Integral 9 dx. So 9 is going to go behind dx. And this, when you integrate this, it's going to become 9. When you integrate dx, it's going to give you just x. 9 is just a 9. When you integrate dx, it's going to get what? X. So I'm going to say plus, because it's plus 9x. And then you plus constant because there's no limit. So now let's come here to the option. This is for here. And see. I think the option 1, because this, yes. This, yes. This, yes. 3, yes. This one, yes. This one, yes. So it's option number 1. And I think for today, we're going to stop here because of the whole situation, how it went down. Okay? Sorry about that. Okay, so I think we can just stop here for today because of the whole situation, how it went down. And I must sincerely apologize. So I'm going to call you on Skype right now. Just we can talk and then we can arrange for the other one very soon. And I apologize how it went down because I almost ran 1 hour while my microphone was muted. And then I end up having a class you guys didn't see. And I apologize, but I'm going to make it up for you tomorrow or day after or sometime very soon so we can have a intensive session. And I appreciate for you to understand. We having another one very soon. It's just because I was unaware all the time that you guys there was something wrong there on the screen. In the future, you let me know what is happening. Be very specific, like, look, we do not hear you. We don't see what you're writing there, because sometimes things can happen unintentional. You know, I always have a great intention. So I was unaware. See, when you say, for example, it's not clear. So I don't know, it's not clear that you cannot see or whatever. So write a specific sentence like, look, when you, whatever, when you say we cannot hear you, or there's such a problem or such a problem. So I know what exactly the problem. I apologize, but we're having a class very soon. Very soon.